Thank you so much, Ankita, for coming up here and spoken so much. I can see the improvement and hard work behind your speech. Now, I would like to call another student of this class, Mr. Shayon. Shayon, please come in front of the class. How are you, Shayon?
So I'm fine. And you?
I am fine. Thank you for asking. So, first of all, I would like to know how are you feeling in such weather?
So I'm feeling well.
How is the weather today?
Today weather is very pleasant.
Today's weather is very pleasant. Okay. So, before we proceed, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone. Good morning.
Good morning.
My name is Sayan Sarkar. I am from Kanki. I read in class 8 in Ramkrishna Prism High School. My father name is Jyotirmoy Sarkar and my mother name is Joymala Sarkar. I have one brother named Shumik Sarkar. My hobbies are singing, dancing, drawing, singing. And I want to be a cricketer in my life.
You want to become a cricketer in your life. Yeah, your introduction was quite interesting, but I believe you are a little bit nervous. So be cool. Doesn't matter. The video is being recorded. It will not make any difference to your personality and reputation. So be calm, chill, relax, and speak up. Okay. Sayon, how long have you been coming here?
I have been coming here for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. Do you feel your English has improved a little bit?
Yes, sir. I can feel it.
You can feel it. Can you speak English outside this class?
Yes, sir. I can speak English with my friends, my parents.
Okay. With whom do you speak English at home?
I speak English at home with my father.
With your father. Okay. And outside home, with whom do you speak English?
I speak English with my friends and my cousins.
Cousins. Okay. Who's the one with whom you speak the most?
With my elder cousin named Alok Mandal.
Alok Mandal. Okay. You said that you want to become a cricketer. And to become a cricketer, speaking English is very important. Do you think about it?
Yes, sir. It's very important that if we go out of India, then we have to speak in English everywhere because we don't know their own language, so we have to speak in English.
Okay, fine. But as a cricketer, you have to speak very fluently. Do you think about that?
Yes, sir.
You should listen to the commentary and the speech interviews of the cricketers when you watch. Who is your favorite cricketer?
My favorite cricketer is Rishabh Pant.
Rishabh Pant. Okay. What is your hobby?
My hobbies are drawing, singing, dancing.
And where is playing cricket?
Sir, that is my...
It's your passion. It's not your hobby. Okay. Now, please tell us, I gave you an activity. So, please tell us what you did yesterday. I would like to know about your yesterday's activities.
First of all, I woke up at 5:30 a.m., refreshed myself, brushed my teeth. After that, I went to my tuition. Then I back to my home, refreshed myself, rest some time. Then I went for my another tuition. Then I come back and slept for 1 hour. Then I woke up and took my breakfast. Then I went for my then I took a bath. Then I watched mobile for 1 hour. Then I took my lunch and slept for 3 hours. Then I woke up at 4 p.m. and ready for my English spoken class. Then I complete my English and I completed my English spoken class at 6:30 and returned to my home. Then I watch IPL match at 7:30. After that, I took my dinner at 9:30. Then I slept at 12 a.m. That's all about.
Okay. Nice. I can see your hard work, but you are still a little bit nervous. But you are doing well. I believe that if you keep practicing the way you are doing, because you have just been here for only 2 weeks. Now you can see that in 2 weeks you can speak little bit, but if you spend 3 months, 6 months, you will surely be a very good speaker of English. Okay. So thanks for talking to me. You can go back to your seat.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.